Hey there. In the last three videos, we solved inequations, but how do you show the answer? How do you represent them? So we will show them on the number line. As you can see, I have already taken one picture of different types of number lines here. So, and it's very critical because getting it wrong means losing marks. So in grade 10, each mark has a lot of impact. So we don't want to lose any marks. So when you solve any number, you draw the answer on a number line. So we have different types of number lines. For example, whenever you are representing greater than, I'm saying only greater than sign, then you have a open circle here. Open circle at 5. X is greater than 5 means the line goes, the answer means x is x is greater than 5 means what? X can be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to infinity. How will you represent that? You will represent on a number line by saying that, okay, our answer lies this side of the line. What does this indicate? A hollow circle indicates 5 is not the part of our solution. Everything above 5 is our solution. Similarly, whenever you're saying less than, it means the left hand side of the numbers are included in the solution. But if it is a hollow circle, it means that number is not included. Everything else which is lesser than or left hand side of that number are included in our solution. Okay, so this whenever it is given, represent x less than -1 on a number line, this will be your answer. I hope this makes sense. However, whenever it is the solution is having greater than or equal to something, then here you have to write the answer from 3 towards the right hand side, but this will have a closed circle, not an open circle. Closed means 3 is also included in our solution. Similarly, when you are writing x is less than or equal to 5, you have to represent it on a number line here as it is. Everything which is on the left hand side of the 5. Also, 5 is also included in our solution. Got it? So this is how you represent the inequalities or inequations on a number line. I hope this makes sense. So arrows, left and right, closed and open circles are the basis of representing inequalities on a number line. Alright. So now I'll provide you, if you have to do a problem, how will you solve? For example, x is x plus 1 is greater than or equal to -5. Solve this first. You know how we solve inequations, right? So first solve, get the value of x till here, till this part, then represent it on the number line. Got it? So this is very simple. Pause the video and get the answer done. Great. So now I will give you 1 or 2 homework problems on that. So it is very simple. You can complete it within no time. So here the problem is homework problem number 1 is draw number lines for x is less than 2. Second one, x is greater than -3. Draw that. Okay. So this is your homework. Comment your answers. I'll check your problems, check the answers, and I'll try to reply in the comment section as well. So if you have liked the content, just like the button, subscribe it, and share with your friends if you really care for them. So see you in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
Here, welcome back to the channel Quantum Map. Today we are going to bring everything together. So here we have multi-step inequations. So same steps as equations, but we have to watch out for the negative rule, what we have discussed in our earlier class. So if that rule is maintained properly, then there are high chances that we'll get correct answers and full marks. Let's begin with a small problem here. Let's see if you people can do it. 3x minus 7 is less than 2x plus 5. Here, you know how to solve this equation, right? We need to find the value of x. So how you will get the value of x here? You need to group the x variables at one place. So here we have 3x on the left hand side. So what I'll do, 3x and 2x is coming to this side. So it becomes negative 2x. And we have to keep this sign as it is and group the constants at right hand side. So 5 is here already, and 7 is coming and joining 5. So it will change the sign. This becomes plus 7. So 3x minus 2x, you know very well, it's x, and x is less than 12. So we have the solution as 12, and you know that we can represent this solution into various forms on a number line or in the inequations notation form, and different types we can have as per the question. But let's move on to the next problem here. 5 times x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 3x plus 3. 3x plus 3. So how will you solve this problem? What we need to do, we need to expand this brackets, and the whole intention should be very clear here that we need x, whatever variable we are solving for, that entity should remain on the left hand side, and remaining everything else will go to the right hand side of the sign, inequality sign, which is there in the middle. Got it? So we can't put 5 here down, it will complicate things. That's why what we do, we first multiply this 5 and open the bracket. 5 times x, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, plus into minus is minus, that's right. So less than, greater than or equal to 3x plus 3. Similarly, we need to group it and find the value of x. So 5x is here, so it will not change anywhere, any sign, but 3x is coming this side, it changes the sign to negative. Greater than or equal to remains as it is, and 3 is there, no need to change anything, but 10 is joining, that's why it will change sign to positive. Here 2x is greater than or equal to 13. So x is greater than or equal to 13 divided by 2. So you can put it as 6.5 and can draw a number line also for this solution. I hope you understood this. It's very, very, very simple problems. So don't miss it during the exams. You will get a lot of marks if you do it correctly. Now, one more problem we'll do on a similar form, that is 4x plus 3 is greater than 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. How will you solve that? Just pause the video, do the problem, unpause it, and check the answer. Answer should be x is greater than 2. Got it? One more problem. 2 into x minus 1 is less than or equal to x plus 4. Pause the video and do it, solve it, and write your answer in the comment section. I'll check. Fine. Now, what we'll do, we will do one more problem here. That is 3x minus 3 is greater than 5x plus 9. Plus 9. How to solve this problem? Similarly, we'll group it here. 3x minus 5x is greater than 9 plus 3. So this will become negative 2x is greater than 12. If you are dividing by negative 2 here, divide by negative 2 to get the value of x. So what will you get here? One thing, that is the negative rule we have to follow here. So this becomes, whenever you are multiplying by a negative value, this sign should flip, right? So now it becomes minus minus cancel, 2 cancel. X is less than 12 divided by 2 is 6, and we have a negative sign, so it is negative. So x is less than negative 6. So this is your solution. So never forget to flip the sign. This is very essential thing. You need to do it. Otherwise, the answer is wrong. So flipping the sign is very important. All right. Okay, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the content, so hit the like button. If you think that it will be helpful to your friends, so share the video with them, because sharing is caring. Also, subscribe it so that you will get more and more videos, so that you can watch the complete grade 10 mathematics chapters. Thank you so much for watching this. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.